There are some storms right now out to the west and parts of, what was that? I don't know what that was. That was Big Bird. Minneapolis reporting some, God, did it poop on my head? I hope not. Minneapolis reporting some flight delays this morning.
Hey, so Haddie, what's the verdict? Did you, in fact, get pooped on? I think that's the real question of the morning.
No, I don't think so, but that was a big hawk or something that flew really close to me.
You're the real MVP, Haddie.
Seriously, I've had mice, spiders, and now a mystery bird.
I don't know how you do it. She's a trooper.
Quite the morning.
Yeah.
Out there in the
I should
patio.
get hazard pay for today.
Come on in. Come on in. All right, thanks, Hads.